Hello, so we are back, yeah? Tuesday morning. Morning, like 11 o'clock, but yeah, still morning. You know the HP charging ports? How you replace the charging ports? Hmm? I don't think I have a video. But anyway, you can find the charging ports. Yeah, that's the charging port and it's gone. Yeah, you can see it's a blue pin charging port. You can buy the charging ports from eBay and you can replace them by swapping the wires, but you have a lot of wires, and I'll explain what wires you have there. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Sorry. Just another day. Like any day. Okay. So we have the charging port. Hopefully the laptop is still good. And hopefully I have a charging port. Can't believe I have the same one. That's sick. But usually, yeah. No, listen to me. Usually, this charging port comes with different connectors. So if you buy with that long connector or the short connector, and actually you have different connector with different wire length. Yeah. In that case, I just remove the glue and move the wires on the other charger. That's easy. That's easy. So I was thinking I have to move the wires even on this one, but this one, lucky I have the charging port. Lucky me. Okay, the charging port, the old charging port, the new one. Okay, let me find a charger, see if it's working. Let me find a blue pin charger, because you need a blue pin charger here. Yeah, I found it. And we have the light. First two pins? No, last two? Yeah, last two pins. Or first two. I don't know, it's on. Anyway. Yeah, well, obviously it's no hard drive there. Let me find again. Plugged. First two. Yeah, first two pins, yeah? and it's coming on. Okay, and this is like a is that cheap HP, you know the model. Okay, when you open this kind of laptops, also check the hinge screws. You know, possible to be loose. Yeah, like this one. Everything is fine. Yeah, let's put all back together and start a different drill. If this was easy, we can find like a hard one. Yeah. Don't forget the ribbon cables. Keyboard. Okay. Okay, this was boring. Just wait. Find another one, a motherboard job. What do you think? Hmm? Okay. Some screws are missing. We have blue light, that means the battery probably is gone and it's not charging. Yeah. Loading up the windows doesn't mean it's fine. Okay, I'll leave this laptop on one side. And we can start another one. Have a laptop here, no power, yeah? So let's see. It's an Acer laptop. This is a Acer ES1 S31. Yeah? Acer Aspire ES15 or ES1 531. So it's not coming on. Let's find a charger. Let's find a charger. I should have a charger here. Okay, found one. Where is the charger? Okay, so we have the charging light here. And it's working, that's sick. It's a waste of time. Probably this home will froze the BIOS and get unlocked by itself. Otherwise I can't explain because I checked myself this laptop. And it was like charging light but was not coming on. And it's working. Oh, that's sick. Yeah, another rubbish. Maybe we can find a job. Good job. No. Yeah.
Are telefonul ăsta care buită mufa și...
Putem să ne uităm. 35? Ok. Charging port. So this is a Samsung laptop charging port, yeah? You know these charging ports? Yeah, probably you know. Sure, it's not the charging port, probably is the solders from the board. This is a Samsung Q430. Wait, it's not Tuesday, it's Wednesday. Even better. I was thinking it's Tuesday, but it's not. That's weird, because I don't remember what I did Monday. And Monday was a crazy day. So for the Samsung laptops, you have to have the charging ports, yeah? So just buy them from eBay. There are like 3 types. You know, these big round ones. And they have same charger, but the pins are different, so that's why are 3 types. That's open. Okay, let's open this one. Actually, most of the jobs are like this, you know, like charging ports. Why is not getting open? Hmm? But you can see from start these laptops suffer from overheating. See, these things are missing, the plastic things. So probably that's one of the reasons why the charging port died. Obviously, when you have a fan spinning all the time at full, the charging port has to carry more current. Okay, so everything is bent here. Check the hinge screw here. Always. Always. Okay, let me grab a charger so we can check together, yeah? Samsung. I sure have Samsung. Oh, yeah, I found it. Okay, let's see what's going on here. It's on. Operating system not found. I can move the charging port and it's still on. So okay, the only problem is the charging port is moving. You can see the charging port, yeah, it's moving up, in, on all the directions. Because and it's next to the fan. Obviously, if the heatsink is getting hot, and this is the version with the good one. Yeah, this is the good one. Has a graphic chip and processor. Has two outputs, like the air comes out here, comes out here. How I'm thinking if I use hot glue here, because the heatsink is next, it's very possible the hot glue to get melt. So maybe, just maybe it's a good idea to have like a overheated job done first. Overheating. Just to blow some air inside so to be sure there's nothing stuck there. Mm. Because if I'll take out the heatsinks I have to replace the thermal paste, the job will be longer. Okay, let's fix first the charging port. Let me take out the hinge. Okay, but the hinge have nothing to do with the charging port. Actually I have a screw here. The charging port is gone. That's when a job get complicated. So actually it is a charging port issue. You can see the charging port inside. Yeah, you know, should be a plastic thing. I'll show you a different one. 1 second. So I'm trying to do this job quickly. There's no way. No way how this can be quick. Yeah, it should be like that inside. Yeah? Not like this. Yeah, it's still working, but if you have a dodgy charger, it will not work. What I will do, I'll fit different charger because I don't have this charging port. Yeah? Maybe if I take these things out. So keep in mind, learn to work with what you have. Yeah? Not with what you wish to have. I wish to have a Ferrari, you know, but that's not possible. Same for you, like it's not possible to have this charging port now, but you have to do the job. You have to get the job done. Yeah? So now we have this. We have the pins. I can't use the screw anymore because this charging port is longer. We have to do the thing, you know. So that's the original one, and that's what I have. It's not the same, it's longer, different pins. Yeah, this can I stick them together. That's the ground. So we have the plus. have the minus. Yeah. It's perfect. Okay, let me put back the hinge. Let's check to be sure it's working. Actually, when I plugged this charger, the plastic bit is stuck inside. You can see the plastic bit there? Yeah, it's out now. So let's check. So it is working, yeah? Good. Okay, let me clean this. And we use the compressor. Clean the dust. Hot glue. Just want to be sure it's on the right position. Yeah. Okay. Everything seems to be fine. Yeah. Just another day. The thing is, what with the live streams, yeah. Actually, I'm not that kind of person who is speaking a lot. So normally, I'm not speaking. So it's hard for me to carry like a live stream with an online lesson. You know what I mean. Again, no more screws. That's all. So don't get these things wrong, yeah? It's not about the money, it's replacing the charging port with the same one. It's about the time. It's hard, you know, like you have to order the part, you have to put the laptop on one side, you have to speak with the customer so he has to wait more. It's long. That's long. The hinge is fine. Solid. Yeah? Okay, let's shut down the computer. This mark from here is not made it by me. This mark is the screw mark of this thing. Yeah? So behind of this is just the screw. So probably they dropped the laptop on the charger, on the charging port. That's the explanation. Yeah, the fan is spinning. Okay, let's go on different job. Hmm? It's off. Let's put this on one side. Let's put back the sticker. What about the hinge job? Hmm? Finish something. Okay, so what's the problem with this one? Wow. So check the Oh, seems to be a problem. Yeah, that's the problem. This is that kind of rubbish laptops. Okay, no screw, no screw. You know how is the thing? The thing is, it is United Kingdom, yeah, and everything is mad expensive. Everything, yeah. Because of that, but you know what? The laptop they have same price. Even here, even back on my country in Romania, they have same price. But here the life is expensive. So you know, in order to can do this job, you have to do a lot of work. Yeah, I know we made some counting before, and to be okay, you should do like £40 per hour. So I have to do the jobs quickly, and I have to decide if it's worth to spend the time or not. But this is UK. But on different situation, yeah, like like back in my country, Romania, yeah, that is cheap. So I have a lot of time to spend fixing a laptop. So because a lot of people they ask me why you don't go deep. It's not worth to go deep here. That's the thing. So what I can do is here is like jobs which I can do in them like in 1 hour. I can fix them. Laptops which I can fix them like under 1 hour. Yeah. Okay, so here everything is broken. Yeah, the charging port is playing by itself. The hinge is broken, but the hinge, actually the hinge is not broken. You see the plastic from here is snapped. So that bit, the metal is snapped. Everything is snapped there. You can see. So that's the problem. And actually the main problem is this metal which is snapped. Yeah. So we have to fix this somehow. Okay. Let me see what surface. Surface I have to use the hot glue. And I have here under the charging port and with the charging port I have here a little bit of surface it is, so I can fix it. Yeah. Just try to clean everything to be sure it's no plastics and yeah. Good. Let's use hot glue. Okay. Okay, this should be here. We are still good. We are still good. I need 500 degrees. Good. So this screw was missing. This is very important because even the back cover, it will keep the hinge. Yeah. It will hold the hinge. Okay. So everything is fine. I know it's looking dodgy, but that's the only way to keep the cost down and, you know, do the job quickly, give some warranty. Okay. The hinge is still hot. It's not hot, it's like warm. I have another job. More like not in the morning, like 1 hour ago. Like an old man came here, yeah, and he said, "YouTube man, I saw you on YouTube. I have my tablet. You can replace my charging port." Yeah, yeah, of course. It was funny, you know. Oh, the YouTube man. Perfect, yeah. Yeah. So no, you know what I mean. Everything is like new. How can I show you from what angle? Yeah. No movement there, nothing. Everything is fine. Let me plug a charger. I should have a Toshiba charger here. No orange light. That's sick. And tell me I work for nothing and actually the laptop is not working. Oh, it is working. Orange light. Yeah, here is some space, but I can't do nothing about that. Yeah, it's off. And it's fine. Yeah? Good. Okay, let's see this man charger, this man tablet. You know how is the thing? Some people from different countries they will look and say, look, what you do is not right, it's not fair. You should not do this job in this way. But you don't understand. I didn't understand when I came here first. This is like, you know, like 10 meters, it's another shop there. And that's kind of dodgy shop. So if I'm doing this job with this money, they will do it with this money. You understand? So yeah, you know, I've been young and stupid, so I know how it is. But it's you can't say, you know what, I want to be myself, I want to be fair, I want to fix everything like it's supposed to be fixed. You can't do it. You'll not survive. No, on these days, you know. No, you have to get fit in. That's the right English word. Just get fit on the system. Yeah, you can't fight with the system. And you actually, if you try. 1 second, 1 second. Yeah. So if you try to do it on different way, you realize it's not worth. The rent is like here is like 5,000, 6,000 per month, which is sick, you know. I'm pay okay, well, not very good, but okay. Are like two more people here, so everyone has to take the money. How you will make this money to keep the business running? Okay, the camera just pop up out. Where is the charging port? Charging port is here, so we have to take the board out. Okay. We don't even know if it's charging or it's working. So it's not charging. We can see on the USB power meter, it's nothing. It's no current going through. When I move the charging port, if I keep the charging port like that, it's working. Yeah. Okay. 1.3 amps. That's great. So actually, the problem is not the charging port. The problem are the pins. So probably one pin is not soldered on the board. Yeah. So it's no point replacing the charging port if your problem is a pin. What's the point? You understand? This is a bad design from the beginning, the micro USB port. To carry like 2 amps on one little piece of pin, because you have plus and minus and the pins are small. 2 amps is a lot. Okay, that's the volume button. Volume, power, and power. Okay, and power. We have this camera, we have this camera. That's one speaker. Okay, this is the screen connector. And this speaker. Okay, let's try to find a problem together. Look, it's not even point to check. Look at the pins. Are all cracked. You can see? You see those cracks from here? Look how it's moving. Look at the charging port, how it's moving. Yeah? So actually you have no issue there. Just need to solder back the charging port. Yeah? And that's good for everyone. You know, we will charge the man less. So originally I told him £30, 30. But we'll charge only 20. Because if it's not a charging port, but it's no point telling to the customer, oh, let me check, maybe it's not a charging port, maybe it's no, that's long. Just tell him it's the charging port, and if it's something which will cost less is better. You know? Everyone will be happy, and then you know what I mean, yeah? Because if you have to call them, yeah? If you have to call them, yeah? So you have this open, like now, yeah? Okay. Now let's call the customer. Okay, the customer don't answer. Oh, let's put this on one side. You know, the things get lost. The screws that, you know, after that, call the customer. Ask the customer say yes. Okay, fix it. Again. That's long. That's proper long. Everything is like new. All the pins are soldered in place. Okay. This is so cheap, you know, this tablet. Maybe it's good, I don't know. But look at the Wi-Fi antenna, yeah? So just think, this is the Wi-Fi antenna. This piece of, I don't know. Yeah, so you can see. So that's the antenna. Just a little bit of. Okay, let's put back all the screws. Now let's check if it's charging, yeah? $1.3 amps, yeah? That means it's fine. Like new. Okay. This thermal from here. And I can't believe this is the Nova one. It's supposed to be like a good tablet. But look on this one. Okay, just put the wires on place. Let's check one more time to be sure the screen is working, the digitizer is working, everything is working. Yeah, 67%, so the battery has some charge. Let's check to power up the tablet. The tablet is on. That's the vibrator. Yeah, the digitizer is working fine. Great. Yeah, so please don't judge me. Don't judge me. I know different country is different. Even on the United Kingdom, different area is different. If you go up, it's different. Yeah. Well, like London, you have like 10 shops in 100 meters. Yeah. On the end of the day, getting the job done, and give you 3 months warranty. That's fine for any shop on any country. Yeah. Okay. This is ready. Let's modify the price. Next on the queue. Oh, I get sick, about these jobs. Look, this one. Dell laptop. Charging port. And this is not even broken, it's just pushed in. What you can do? Oh, one screw missing, one screw missing. What you can do? I wish to have like a brilliant jobs, like proper faults. Something new. Most of the time you will get these kind of jobs. Okay, this will be boring, yeah? So I'll stop this video here. So hopefully, you understand something about how this thing works. Yeah? So it's not important how you're doing. It's important, yeah? The job to be done well, so you can give warranty. It's no point, fixing something and 1 month is back. Okay? So, yeah. Actually, I was thinking to do one video. I don't even remember what was the first job. The first one was the charging port, yeah? Yeah. Sometimes, everything is Easy. What we spend? We spend 21 hour and 23 minutes. It's lunch break anyway, so I have to eat. Okay? So don't get too hard if you don't understand like the electronic like deep. Most of the times are not deep things, are things like charging ports and engine, things like that, yeah? See you probably tomorrow, okay? Wednesday. Oh, it's so long till Friday. Probably I'll go home like 3 o'clock. Even yesterday I go home like 3 o'clock. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.